Michael and Cameron, the day is finally here for your sacrament of matrimony. And I think it speaks volumes to who you are, the fact that you chose to get married here at St. Jude, where the focal point of this church is this crucifix of Jesus Christ. And he is the center of the church. You are facing him right now as you kneel down in this church, because at the end of the day, you've been together for a while now, but you also come to this realization that as good as you both are, as awesome as you are, you're not enough. And so you have to come and look at him to receive his love.
It does look beautiful. It looks great.
Thank you. Pretty, huh?
Yeah, it looks great. Wow.
Jesus Christ shows us how to love well. While he was on the cross, while he was experiencing his own pain and suffering, he focused on the needs of others. One of the most beautiful things about your relationship is that you both suffered so well already together. And every time you see Jesus, he reminds you, even when I'm going through it, I'm called to pour myself out for the love of my life. Give myself to the other. Even when I myself am suffering, I'm going to give myself to my spouse. Whenever we come before Jesus and look at Jesus, he gives us everything that we need right here in prayer so that we can be able to love each other as he loves us. And if you can persevere in loving each other as he has loved you, then you'll be able to not only abide in his love, but you'll be able to abide in your love. Not only during your short pilgrimage that we call earth, but you'll be able to abide in this love together and with him forever in the kingdom of heaven. Cameron and Michael, if you are ready to begin your heaven on earth, then I invite you now to stand and profess your vows before God and his church.
Cameron, receive this ring.
Michael, receive this ring
As a sign,
of my love and fidelity,
in the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
It is my distinct honor and privilege to introduce to all of you for the first time,
I do.
Mr. and Mrs. Michael and Cameron Newman. You may kiss your bride.